Alright, how's everyone doing today? I've got this Wavlink USB-C 3.1 adapter for, it goes from USB-C to nVMe SSD. Got this on Amazon for like $22, $23, something like that. What I needed it for is because on my last laptop that I had, and I'm no longer using the iPad for things, I'm using a MacBook Air for a lot of my stuff. And I'll do a separate video on that later, but through the laptop that I had upgraded it to a 1 terabyte SSD, which is the SanDisk 1 terabyte drive here. And I had taken the sticker off because I had some thermal padding on it, and the sticker came off with the padding. But so I needed something to utilize this for, and Amazon has a bunch of these adapters, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this hopefully fairly quickly. Wow, it almost kind of looks like maybe like a vape or something like that. But yeah, it's got like this faux leather design to it. That's just plastic, I'm pretty sure. It comes with that. It comes with your regular USB-C cable adapter, this heat sink, which goes onto the SSD. Comes with this screwdriver thing here with these screws. No, but there's no physical, doesn't look like there's an actual Phillips head screwdriver on this anywhere, unless, aha, it's on the inside. So it looks like it comes with this adapter that has like a hex nut there, and there may be even another one. It's pretty cool. I guess so you could store something in there, but yeah, there's your Phillips head, so you can assemble this thing. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to get this all put together. It comes in this really nice box. I don't think there's anything else in here. Maybe the user manual. Yeah, that's all that's in there is the user manual on how to assemble this thing. So yeah, let me get this thing put together, and then we're going to do a speed test of it with my MacBook. So there's what it looked like there's what it looks like when it's all assembled. Almost kind of wish they would put the heatsink on the outside just to give it, make it look cool, but oh well. And then this just snaps right over the top of it, I believe, like so. Like so. So I have my Wavlink 1 terabyte plugged into the computer here, and I'm going to be running a couple tests here. So let me select the target drive, which will be this Wavlink, and we'll just hit open, and we'll click on start now. So Blackmagic disk test gets about 567 on the write and 562 on the read, and it just continues to do this until you hit stop or start again. And then the other one was Anamorphous, and we'll just choose that one. And we'll hit go. So as you can see, this test is not as fast as a lot of nVMe SSDs, just because on this specific drive, the SanDisk 1 terabyte that's actually inside the Wavlink, doesn't have any DRAM cache on it, but I just use it for backup and storage. I don't, try to edit any footage off of it, because I usually just stick it on the computer and then edit that way and transfer everything back over. So yeah, that's just a quick little review unboxing of this little device here. So I hope you guys liked it.